Thanks a lot, guys. Here in Chicago with Cam Jordan, I feel severely underdressed here, man. You're outdoing me once again. But let's just talk about the win. A huge win for you guys, and the D-line came up big once again.
Yeah, we liked our matchups. Both sides of the ball, offensive line, defensive line, we liked our matchups. And I feel like we took advantage of that today.
The fact that you guys just continue to win in different ways, yet the defense has maintained its level of play. I mean, how much confidence do you guys have now moving forward? 5 straight victories, so many losses on offense. You guys must be sky high right now.
You say that. We probably would be had we finished out the fourth quarter the way we know how. You let these leaky trash yards come out, and that's something that just puts a dent in your smile. I mean, I can't wait to get to film, try and correct some things. When you talk about learning moments, it's got to be a learning moment. It's got to be a lesson, and we got to move on from it.
All facets are playing so well, but when Drew comes back, whenever that is, and the offense plays even better, I mean, how dangerous can this football be moving forward? Football team be?
Again, we have potential to be special. We have to live up to that potential every day. And when you got guys like Drew Brees, we got guys like Teddy Bridgewater, Mike Thomas on the offensive side, Alvin Kamara, Jared Cook, that only propels our defense to play even better. When you're going against one of the top-ranked offenses every week in, week out, you're only going to aspire to be better.
You're one of the best defensive players in the league. Are you the best-dressed player in the league?
I mean, I'd like to think so, honestly. The drip I have is impressive. Yeah. I got some to spare. But when you talk about, best dressed in the league, that's so objective these days. At some point, I don't even know what fashion really is anymore.
He's so modest. Cam Jordan here in Chicago. Back to you guys.